Hello there, and welcome to my channel. I'm Cody the Coin Raptor, and I'm here to bring you another crypto chart TA, starting with our Bitcoin charts. So if you look at the Bitcoin chart here in the hourly, what I have here is a double top formation. Okay, you see one top here, and then another top right here. And you can see that they both correspond with this resistance point here, almost 21,000. It's pretty close. About 21,000 in this little bit of this range. I'll move it up here a little bit, you'll see. So around 21,000 or so. Now Bitcoin actually came up. It failed to break out here, bounced down here at about 20,000, and then came back up again and failed to break out yet again. And you can see it's on the retreat all the way back down here. Now what that means is, because we have this double top formation, we have a possible retracement all the way back here to 20,000 again. So I think that's the most possible, the most likely outcome here for Bitcoin, is that it comes back to this level here, about 20,000 or so, and it touches it, and it might rebound off, or else it might collapse through that level. That kind of remains to be seen. But for now, for sure, I think it's most likely that it's going to come down to this 20,000 range. Okay. And again, remember that the FOMC meeting is going to be on Tuesday and Wednesday this week, with Jerome Powell speaking on Wednesday. If we take a look at Ethereum, Ethereum has been stuck in a bit of a range. Let me go ahead and put the trend lines here. Okay, one thing I want to go ahead and say about Ethereum is that I'm going to go ahead and remove the actual descending triangle here, because I think that we've fully and totally broken out of it. So I'm going to get rid of that. Now next, what I want to show you is that with Ethereum, you're getting a topping formation here, right? So it's kind of meaning it's going right in the middle of this channel. Okay, chances are with Ethereum, it's going to have a hard time breaking through this level here at 1644. It has shown incredible resiliency through the past couple of days. It's down a little bit, not a lot, but the fact is that it came and shot all the way up here and had a larger move than Bitcoin. Just goes to show you how much more volatile Ethereum is compared to Bitcoin. Now, if we look at the daily RSI, we can see that we're still at 63, which is still really high. So I expect Ethereum to come back down here to at least this 1500 level, and then potentially bounce off that 1500 level and continue lower. That's what the most likely outcome is for Ethereum, in my opinion. And then you have a support level here at 1425 as well. And again, we're talking about ahead of the FOMC, which could provide either upwards or downwards volatility. And the way it's been going in the past, we're going to go ahead and brace for some selling volatility, some selling pressure in the crypto markets. I think that's probably the most likely outcome. However, I also want to go ahead and take a look at your Binance coin. Now, Binance coin is very interesting because Binance coin has shown time and time again to be the most resilient of the top three. So we had Binance coin go off this massive move here. And so I talked previously about it staying within this trading range, but as soon as it broke out of the resistance here, that resistance level that I outlined, it shot all the way up here to the next resistance point, about 300 and we call it 337 or so. But you can see that if that Ethereum came up here and has previously gone to this this level here back in August. So if we zoom out and we take a look at this, we can see that this has been a strong resistance point for Binance coin for some time now. So this is kind of I would say multi-month resistance that Binance coin has found itself at right now. So I think what's most likely you're going to see with Binance coin is that you're going to probably see, if it can't break through this level, you're going to potentially see another double topping formation, just like we see with Bitcoin, in which you have one top right here and then another top right here, potentially speaking. We take a look at the daily RSI. It's at 79. This is way overbought right now on the daily. We can definitely tell that it's incredibly overbought. We can look at the volume, almost 200,000 Binance coin volume today. That's crazy. And then followed by 127, followed by 100. So And all in total, you're looking at 400 plus thousand Binance coin trading hands in just the last couple of days. That is some crazy volatility. Now, I also want to go ahead and take a look at the Bitcoin historical returns. So we're at the end of the month, the 31st of October. So I want to go ahead and just quickly review what happened here in October. So previously, I had said in other videos that October is often the best month for Bitcoin. It's usually October and it's February. If we take a look at the Bitcoin monthly returns. So that being said, November is also not a bad month for Bitcoin. Now, there are 3 months in which the Bitcoin closed red, but the rest of them were all green, including some pretty huge moves, 53%, 42%, 400% in one case. That was pretty crazy. So it really looks like November is probably trending to be a decent month for Bitcoin, but again, that's just based on historicals. That's not necessarily a guarantee. One thing you'll notice here, very important, 2018 and 2019, right? Those are your bear market. Those are both your bear market months here, and they had a huge loss in both of these regions here. So if we go ahead and we take a look at the Bitcoin chart, we can go all the way back here to the monthly range, and we can look at that. All right. Take a look at November. Right here, 2018, that was the last dump all the way down to on route to the low for the bear market bottom in 2018. So that right here is that was the death knell up until you get to the bear market bottom, and then it actually it fell more in that December, and then more in that January, and then February after that point, then it started getting back up again. So it has in the last bear market, it has been a very rough Bitcoin. It has had a very rough November in the last bear market. Now, again, I don't know if that's going to happen or not this time, but I would definitely temper expectations for any big green moves in November. And from what I'm seeing in the charts, again, the short term, things are looking pretty rocky in the short term, and I really don't want to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum or Binance coin ahead of the FOMC. I'm going to wait for the FOMC to come out, and then after that, I'll do a video on it, and I'll talk about my feelings about it, and then we can go from there. But for now, again, I expect Bitcoin to come back down here to 20,000. All right, so that's all I've got for you guys today. If you like this content, let me know, like and subscribe, and also go ahead and follow me on Twitter as well. This is Cody the Coin Raptor, signing out.